Hello, my name is Garrett Miller, and I run Stonevale Exterior Co. We offer pressure washing and window cleaning solutions to high-end residential and commercial properties. And I was looking for just a really high-quality website to market my brand, to have customers go to get in touch, more importantly, just have something that I was proud of that represents, our values, the work that we do, and our brand here at Stonevale. So I got in touch with Scott and his team at More Commercial Jobs. Like I said, number one, we were looking for a website that really just captured our brand, our perception, really just talked to the types of clients that we wanted to go after. Number two, technically it had to be sound. We wanted high quality photo, video. We wanted things to load quickly. We wanted to rank for SEO well, especially with the direction things are going with AI and AI SEO. And then finally, we just wanted a nice process, a good team to work with, someone that was able to really capture the goals that we had and the vision that we had for our website. And Scott and his team at More Commercial Jobs delivered on all that and more. They clearly exceeded our expectations. It was a very, very enjoyable process, and I could not recommend his services more. I think the thing that stood out to me the most working with Scott was that he understands the marketing and sales side of things in addition to making a really good looking website. So many website developers can make something that looks good, but it doesn't really speak to who we're trying to talk to. It doesn't really capture the brand experience that we want to have for individuals coming to our website. And so he had a really awesome brand intake process. Of course, he captured things like our logo, our fonts, making sure that it was on brand visually. But more importantly, he helped us capture information and also express information around who our ideal clients were, what our offers were, some competitors to compare to, how we want to be perceived by our ideal clients. And it actually got me thinking a lot more on the marketing and sales side, and really, really opened up some doors for me for some creativity options just to really kind of dive into that I wouldn't expect working with a website developer, right? And so he provided some really good feedback as well on certain offers we can run, and just was a really good resource on that side of things as well. But yeah, most importantly, the website was developed very quickly. It's exactly what we were looking for, better than what we were looking for, better than the vision that I originally had. And overall, he was just a pleasure to work with. So if you're a cleaning company, commercial, residential, you do pressure washing, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, anything like that, I cannot recommend Scott and his team at More Commercial Jobs more. They just get it. They understand what you're looking for. They know how to put it together. They know what actually works. I'm really excited to see how we're going to be ranking here pretty soon as well. And it's just the most important thing is that I have a website that I have confidence in now. I know that if people are coming to it, it's not something I have to be, embarrassed about or try to hide or not really push onto people. I'm trying to get as many people as possible to come check it out. And because I know it's going to be such a huge selling point for us in getting more residential deals as well as more commercial opportunities. So if you're on the fence, if you're talking with Scott, if you're just showing up on this website, I cannot recommend enough just reaching out to him, having a chance to chat with him. He's going to knock your socks off. So cannot recommend Scott and his team at More Commercial Jobs more. This has been Garrett Miller. Have a great day. Take care.